Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2015 Porsche Cayenne. So from any screen, you can turn the map on just by clicking so if you just want to see what's coming up ahead, or onto Navi here, you see enter address. So we click on enter address using this left button. Here we can select country, town, postal code, street number. So we're using the button on the right hand side. We want postal code, that's easier to do. And then turn the rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers. So we've done the PR. So we go down to ABC 1, 2, 3 there, select that, and then we're on numbers. So we're PR 5, 4. Now we need to go back to letters, J, S. It stopped at PR54 because that gives you the kind of whole postcode, and probably if you know where you're going or you're just going home or something. But anyway, PR54JS, and we click on that to select it, even though you've told it. And yes, it's Preston. Now street number, we don't want a street number, so I'll just turn it down to start route guidance and click.
Please follow the road.
There you go, it'll tell you when to turn. And also, you've got, in this second clock from the right, that's showing you the route too. So you can kind of, instead of having to look down at your Sat Nav screen, you can look straight on. You've got verbal instructions, a clock there and a clock there. If you get lost, then you shouldn't be on the road. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Porsche Cayenne. So from any system, you've got phone there. If we go to phone, it says find telephone. You've also got options on the right hand side and Bluetooth settings. So we want Bluetooth settings. We click this button for Bluetooth settings. You've got new device or device list. Turn down to device list, select device list, and you'll see Barry's iPhone 11. Now if I click on that, it gives me the option to rename it or delete it. That's because it's not switched on. My Bluetooth's off here, and it's disconnected. So we want to delete it. Click delete. Delete from list, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Porsche Cayenne. First of all, we go to settings and we make sure Bluetooth is on. And then we're watching out at the bottom. But over to the audio system, click on phone. There's nothing connected, so we find telephone. We're watching here. Usually, I'm not sure whether this one actually comes up with a chassis number, but it comes up as PCM normally. But it's looking for it. It's looking for my phone. PCM at the bottom there. So, and Barry's iPhone. So it's come up with PCM there, Barry's iPhone on the screen. We'll click on Barry's iPhone. Please confirm Bluetooth code 908471. That's the code there, so we click pair. Registration successful. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there we go, PCM connected. Another good thing with this system is if we go to music, look at the bottom here, you've got PCM. Click on PCM, so there's a tick next to PCM. If for any reason there's not and it's next to iPhone, just touch PCM like so, and then we'll go back, we'll click play, over to the system, onto media. So it's showing the tune there. So if I turn this up like so, that's it. That's playing through the system. If for any reason it's not guaranteed to come up on the Bluetooth, if you go into media, if you go into source, you can see there AM, FM, disc, jukebox, aux, and auxiliary Bluetooth. So keeps timing out. If when you switch on, click media, it's on jukebox. You just have to go to source, click Bluetooth auxiliary, and there we go. That's it. That's how you stream audio. And people also in the comments usually ask me, will it play Amazon Music or Spotify and so on? Well, yes, it will. For instance, if I just find my Amazon Music, click on Amazon Music, click play, Sad Cafe there, you see it's already come up on the system here. And if I turn this up, so it works on Amazon Music, easy enough. Gosh, Spotify, let's just have a look. Spotify, Bosch, and that's it. So it works on everything. Any audio that plays through your phone will come through this system if you have it set correctly. Okay, as many of you know, we have an accessory shop. It's an affiliate site. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're partners with lots of other people. Accessories, snowboarding equipment, clothing, and to be honest, it's quite interesting. It's a good keeps your interest on the side as well as just dealing in cars. Lots of car accessories, lots of tech, computers, and so on. And that's the sort of stuff I like. Now, just recently, I was going to get myself a pair of Apple AirPods, I think they're called. And I looked online, and I think there's some at 179, some at 199, and some at 250. And to be fair, I'm with ordinary earphones, I'm forever catching them on my coat, taking my coat off, catching them on a car, and I go through these earphones like nobody's business, which is why I wanted the wireless ones. And then when I was looking for them on Amazon, because as I say, we're affiliates, and I was going to advertise them on our site, I came across these, and it's got a charging case, and I'll just show you. Basically, they're Bluetooth headphones. If we go to, gosh, when I can find it, if we go to Bluetooth, and then watch out at the bottom, when I open this case, you'll see the blue light flashing. And there you go, T12's come up. I click T12 connected. It's as simple as that. Now, if I play music here, turn that up, take these out, the worst thing about them is I can't get them out with my Mars bar fingers. There we go. And hang on, they're really good. Less than £20. I'll put a link to them in the description. I can get I can lose 10 pairs of these before I'm out of profit, and I'd have been better off buying Apples, which I'll probably get anyway, by the way. But that's it. That's by the by. Thanks for watching.